Hello, Anett here with a new scrapbooking process video. I worked with the beautiful Celebrate collection, which is a collaboration between the two awesome companies Pinkfresh Studio and Altenew. I created this layout for the August challenge. It is all about florals and beautiful pinks, corals and yellow shades. I picked the This Day paper with large peony on it, and I had the idea to use the coordinating stamps and dies and cover the whole page with flowers. It is a layering stamp set with coordinating dies and also a word die, thankful. I fussy cut the big flower first and used foam to raise it a little bit. I adhered it to white cardstock. I create dimension all of the time and almost all of my layouts because I find it so pretty. I chose my colors for the layers of the flowers. I use shades of coral and yellow. For the greens I use olive and fresh pear. I have the Pinkfresh premium dye in cubes and I love the quality and the colors. For layering I always use my Misty stamp tool because I find it easier to stamp 2 or 3 times with the same stamp. I created many flowers, so I first made the outline images, then I changed the stamp and make the filling colors. The first color is coral reef. The second is passion fruit. For the base I use a lighter color and I stamp the details later with a darker color. But you can also stamp once with a lighter color and use the same color for the details, but this time stamp with it 2 or 3 times or more. It will be a bit darker, but not too much. I die cut the flowers with the coordinating die. I also cut my photo with this die, so it has the same shape as the flowers. I had to go through with my machine 3 or 4 times to cut it entirely. I also cut the flower shapes of foam adhesive. I adhere this foam to the flowers and this way I create dimension. The last step is arranging the flowers and my photo. I used only a couple of embellishments because it doesn't need anything at all. I added my title and I added my comment and some arrows to draw the attention to my photo, which is really not easy as the flowers are so pretty and so vibrant. On the photo you can see our house with the beautiful Japanese cherry trees which bloom in April, and the whole street is in pink when the trees are full in bloom. I had some leftover flowers because I made so many, so I went ahead and made a lovely card with them. You can see the card among the detail shots. I hope you enjoyed my video. Everybody loves flowers, so I think you should try and create something beautiful for this challenge. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope to see you in my next video too. Bye bye!